हेलो बच्चों,
We are now starting the part 2 of the study in integration. Now, what is that part 2? We had said that we are going to study the chapter of integration in 5 parts. Part 1 was introduction and basic formulae and rules. Part 2 is integration by substitution, and these are remaining 3 parts. Now, as you know, if you had seen the video serial 1, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D like that, we have covered already the part 1. But you need to do the practice and by heart the basic formula. Now we are going to study part 2, that is integration by substitution. Now most important is basic formula, which I am just repeating for your ready reference. If you don't have handy, please pause the video, note down this formula, but all these formulae you must know by heart. Of course, when we studied differentiation, I also told you differentiation is the chapter which is required for all further chapters of maths too. Chalo. Now let us see what is the meaning of integration by substitution and how it is used in finding the integration of tan x, cot x, etc. Also sec x, cosec x. बराबर है? यहां हमारे पास tan x, cot x, cosec x, sec x इसके फॉर्मूले नहीं है. Those we will derive by integration by substitution. But before we go to that, I will just give you a simple example so that you understand the concept of integration by substitution. Let us see. We have to find integral of cos of root x divided by root x with respect to x. Now, as the method suggests, we have to find by substitution. Normally, when such example comes, you find out what is the function within the function and just see if derivative of that is somewhere existing in the example. समझ गए? Again, try to find out function within a function, like यहाँ root x है, and see whether derivative of that is existing. Now, see how I can solve this problem. Let t is equal to root x. बराबर है? Now you know dt by dx, derivative of t with respect to x will be 1 upon 2 root x. And we are going to convert this example into t. So dx will be equal to, by cross multiplication, 2 root x into dt. समझ गए बच्चों? Very important. You have to replace dx by dt, and example you have to convert into t. So example becomes integral 1 upon root x. This root x in the denominator I have written here, into cos. Instead of root x, I will make it t. This is what was our assumption here. And instead of dx, I will write down 2 root x dt. Now what happens? Just see, this root x gets cancelled. This 2 can come out of the integral sign. So it will be 2 integral cos of t dt. I am purposely solving this very slowly. Integral of cos x with respect to x is sin x. So integral of cos t with respect to t will be sin t. समझ गए? So it will be 2 sin t plus, when integration we have done, constant of integration gets added. So final answer will be in terms of x, not t. Sin, what is t bachcho? We have assumed as root x. So sin of root of x plus constant of integration. समझ गए बच्चों? This is the way the example is solved. Now how we use this method to find integration of, let us say, tan x, then this becomes our standard formula. समझ गए? चलो, let us see. Integration we want to find out tan of x with respect to x, tan x dx. Now we know integral tan x is what? Sin x upon cos x dx. समझ गए बच्चों? Integral of sin x upon cos x is into dx. Now I assume t is equal to cos x. Why? Because इसका मुझे यहाँ डेरिवेटिव है. So dt by dx will be minus sin x. So I want to find out value of dx. dx is equal to dt upon माइनस साइन एक्स. माइनस भूलने का नहीं, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके यहां आया. तो हमारा एग्जाम्पल क्या हो गया बच्चों? इंटीग्रल, यहां मैं साइन एक्स ऐसा ही लिखूंगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉस एक्स व्हाट आई हैव अज्यूम्ड, टी multiplied by, instead of dx I will write down now dt upon minus sin x. अभी क्या हो गया बच्चों? sin x gets cancelled, this minus sign becomes outside, so it is minus integral 1 upon t dt. What is the integral of 1 upon x? Standard formula, log x. So minus log of t. बराबर है? Now I will write down here for your convenience, but like that you must never write in examination. Minus log t की जगह में क्या लिख, अब यहां c भूलने का नहीं. माइनस लॉग t का मतलब है cos x plus c. Now we know बच्चों, minus log मतलब it will become minus 1 as an index. So cos raised to minus 1 is 1 upon cos. So it is log 1 upon cos x plus c, and 1 upon cos is nothing but sec. So log sec x. So what formula we get as a standard? Integral tan x dx will be log sec x plus c. C. Now similarly you find out as a homework, what you will find out? You will find out integral. You will find out integral homework. Integral cot x dx. समझ गए? This you will find out as a homework. Now I will derive one more formula for you, that is for integration of sec x. थोड़ा सा अलग है, but this you try to understand properly. Now integral sec x dx. Now see what I do. Integral sec x upon 1 into, ये थोड़ा सा अलग मेथड है, into I multiplied by sec x plus tan x divided by same thing, sec x plus tan x dx. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? न्यूमरेटर विल बी इंटीग्रल sec square x plus sec x tan x, and denominator will be sec x plus tan x dx. Now I use substitution. Denominator को मैं substitute करेगा. T is equal to sec x plus tan x. dt by dx will be, sec x का डेरिवेटिव है sec x tan x plus tan x का डेरिवेटिव है sec square x. So dx will be cross multiplication. dt upon this entire right hand side will come as a denominator, sec x tan x plus sec square x. Now my example becomes, I will write here integral, न्यूमरेटर तो मैं ऐसा ही लिखेगा, sec square x plus sec x tan x divided by the denominator I had assumed t into dt upon sec x tan x plus sec square x. थोड़ा हैंडराइटिंग मेरा खराब है, but you will understand this. तो this bracket gets cancelled with this bracket, so it becomes integral 1 upon t dt, that is log t plus c. तो यहां क्या मिल जाएगा हमको बच्चों? log, what is t? sec x plus tan x. तो ये भी हमारा फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा. इंटीग्रल sec x will be log sec x plus tan x. Now as homework you find out integral cosec x dx. Method is similar. Method is very similar. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो, तो ये हमारे 4 एक्स्ट्रा फॉर्मूले हो गए. 2 मैंने सॉल्व करके दिए हैं, 2 आपको होमवर्क में करना है. So next video 2b, we will have these 4 additional formulae. In addition to what we have taken as a standard basic fundamental formulae, elementary formulae. समझ गए? चलो, thank you. ये वीडियो अच्छी तरह से देखो, then you will understand the further videos on substitution. Thank you.